that you want us to fail. Do you know how much it took for me to fight to get out of the house? Do you know how much it took for me to fight the family that I got, to fight the financial situation? And you got the nerve to stand in that pulpit this evening and say, you want me to fail. And I say, but absolute, without contradiction, I'm not going to bite my tongue this evening. I'll say to you, I want you to fail. Robert Kennedy said, in order to see great success, you must first see failure. Because anybody who is successful at something first got to fail at something. Are y'all not with me this evening? There's something to be said when you understand failure is the price tag for success. Oh, I just said something there. I said failure is the price tag for success. The only people who really learn how to fight successful are the people who fail at something. That's why a lot of young people don't like coming to church, is because some church folk come down with amnesia when they get saved. And they act like they never failed at anything. So some of you files act like they ain't never been to the club. We got some preachers act like they ain't never drunk no gin and juice. We got some parents acting like they ain't never smoked no weed. We got counselors acting like they ain't never failed a class before. I need some people in here that will say, yeah, preacher, I failed before, but my failure was not falling. My failure was failure if I stayed down. But if I stay down and get back up again, there is no failure in that.